Hi everyone, welcome to my final project demo for Cloud Server Administration. In this video, I will show you my completed Windows Server environment running on AWS. I will show you the Active Directory configuration, user account management, shared folders and permissions, as well as the group policy objects that were implemented according to the project requirements. Okay, let's start with the Active Directory. As you can see, my domain is named EnsignSuccess.scarp. Inside the organizational unit called Ensign Success Center, I have successfully created all required user accounts. These include the Center Manager account, 5 student advisor accounts named Advisor 1 through Advisor 5, and an additional backup administrative account named backup.admin. To verify the compliance with the project requirements, I will open the properties of backup.admin and navigate to the member of tab. There you can see that backup.admin is a member of the domain admins group, which provides administrative privileges and serves as a backup administrative account for the environment. Okay, that confirms that all required user accounts have been created and configured correctly. Next, I will demonstrate the folder structure and NTFS permissions. Under the C drive, I've created the folder named Ensign Data. Inside this data and inside this folder, there are two required subfolders: advising documents and admin reports. First, I open the properties of advising documents and navigate to the security tab. As shown here, the appropriate users and groups have been assigned permissions. The center manager and student advisors have the required access rights, including read, write, and modify permissions. Okay, I also opened the advising documents stored inside this folder to confirm that the file exists and is accessible. So now I will open the admin reports folder. In the security tab, we can see that permissions are much more restrictive. Okay. Only the center manager and administrative system accounts have the access to this folder. The student advisors don't have permissions to access these reports, ensuring confidentiality and proper security controls. This shows the implementation of NTFS permissions and access control based on an organizational rules. Next, I will review the group policy configuration. I will open the group policy management console and I expand the domain and display the default domain policy. Within this policy, I configured the password policy to require a minimum password length of 12 characters and enabled password complexity requirements. This helps improve account security by enforcing strong passwords throughout the domain. So now I show you the custom group policy object named GPO Ensign Staff. This policy is linked directly to the Ensign Success Center organizational unit. The first configuration forces the browser homepage to the official Ensign College Information Technology website. These settings help maintain consistency and ensure that users have quick access to important institutional resources. Okay. As you can see, the policy update completes successfully. This confirms that the group policy configuration are synchronized, and functioning properly. In summary, this project demonstrates the successful deployment and configuration of a Windows Server environment in AWS. I have successfully configured Active Directory domain services, created and managed user accounts, implemented secure NTFS permission, configured shared folders, and deployed group policy objects to enforce organizational standards and security requirements. This strengthened my skills in Windows Server administration, Active Directory management, security configuration, and enterprise environment administration. Thanks for taking the time to review my project demonstration. I appreciate the opportunity to present you my work. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.